Okay, now we are going in continuation from previous exercise 2-6. We are going to work on 2-7, and in this exercise we want to improve the fit. Currently, the fit is not as good as we saw this residual plot, and you can minimize this, and the residual is too much. And if you get assessment, there are much gap here. We want to close the gap as much as possible. So one of the reasons is because the dependent variable is following different function, so we want to make adjustment with that. So first, let's go to options pane. And let's change this distribution. On the generalization distribution, we want to change it to Poisson distribution, and the function is log function, and you can just see that assessment it has really closed the gap a lot, right? You see that right away. As soon as we change the distribution of the response variable, it changed that. If you go to residual, look at here. So before we had this negative correlation, but now it disappeared, except that we have a lot of frequencies around the zero. It's because there were 20% of respondents who said nothing, or they entered zero there in measuring the data or in the survey. So because of that, it's a zero intensive binary variable. So we have that phenomenon here. But other than that, the other ones are, it looks pretty okay. The heteroscedasticity problem has disappeared here, and we are very happy with that. However, when you see this zero inflated Poisson distribution, scholars say that this problem can be resolved if we use two-stage modeling approaches. That is a 3D distribution model and log function together. So let's change this distribution now from Poisson to 3D and log function as it is, and power specification remaining as automatic, and then that's going to change the model result. And it is changing it. It is taking some time to load. Okay, finally it loaded, and let's go to assessment. And also, it as you can see, the problem was closely resolved, and it looks much better than before. And if you look at the B statistics like this, then AIC is 1,119,465. If you change that to Poisson, then it's 1,157,000. So it's lower. If you use 3D, then the value is lower than that, right? It's slightly lower than that, and the lower is the better it is. So you can see a slight improvement in this model by using that. If you want to share this result, as I have done before, you can go to model and then share or object. You can save it and then share it with me and with your classmates and with your friends that you can do. Okay, thank you.